Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shelby, aka Simply Shelby, or welcome if you're new here. Today I got another exciting shoe haul. So I got the women's Nike Airrift. You know, I feel like it's gonna be a love-hate shoe. You're either gonna love it or you're either gonna hate it. I wanted to get it because it reminds me of the Maison Margiela, you know, like Japanese style, I feel like, with the toe. So if you don't know, here's the Nike Airrift. I'm gonna show you what they are, and you're probably on here because you know what they are and you wanna see them. You wanna see how they look, you wanna see how someone wears them. That's probably why you're on this video. So I got the Nike Airrifts in the color melon or light bone honeydew. Sorry, I don't know why I thought melon. Probably because of the honeydew, but it's light bone honeydew, and I saw them just like pop up on a TikTok and pop up on Pinterest, and I'm like, I kind of want them. They could be used for hiking, they could be used for every day, you know. I gotta get used to them, but let's open the babies up. So I bought them from the Nike website themselves. This is how they look. I'll put the price here. I forgot how much they were. I think they were definitely over 100, but maybe less than 150, but I'll definitely pop in the price here. So here they are, and what is unique about them is their toe. So you might be like, oh, what are they? So the toe is what's unique about them, if you can see. It has the little toe thing here, like a toe thong, where it kind of separates your toe there. And here's the color. It's a very cute honeydew and bone, like it said, with the light green on the bottom and light green kind of trimming here with a little pop of light green, and the bone color here, which the bone is kind of like a grayish color. So these are how they look. They're adjustable straps here, which is really nice. So you can adjust. The bottom is like foamy like this, so they look really, really comfortable and they feel comfortable. And also you can adjust back here too to your liking of how you want it. So this is how they look. They are really cute, and they got the Nike swoosh in the front, the signature Nike swoosh. So these are how the women's Airrift are looking, and yeah, I think they're really, really cute. So this is different for me. I definitely don't have a shoe like this. I don't know if I should wear it with socks or not socks. Probably for this video I won't wear it with socks. Comment down below if you have Airrift, should I wear them with socks, or just give me your opinion. Socks or no socks, you know, with this type of shoe. But this is how they look. They are very, very cute, and I hope that they will be comfy. Like I said, it looks like you could wear them maybe even for hiking, not like an intense hike, but like low-key hike and around the city. And I don't know, I just thought they were cool, and they give me like Japanese inspo vibes. So I really love anything that kind of caters to Japanese fashion as well, being half Japanese myself. These are the Nike Airrifts, and with that being said, let's try them on. So here they are on the feet. I think they're really cute, but you know, they're not going to be everyone's cup of tea. I think without socks might be the move, because I feel like it does feel better. But here it is with my outfit. I'm just wearing some cargos, a little gray tube top, and the Nike Airrifts, which I think it looks really cute like this, just like for a simple, casual, sporty, like streetwear look. But yeah, this is how the Airrifts are looking. I think they're really, really cute on the feet. I'm liking them a lot. So yeah, that's how the Nike Airrifts are looking. If you have any questions about how they're fitting, the size, I feel like they fit pretty comfortable. I got a size 8, and I do feel like I still have room in my toe, which is really, really good. So yeah, I feel like, you know, they're probably gonna be comfortable. I haven't tested them out for a day, but I'll definitely try to wear them out this summer. I feel like they are a nice casual shoe. Like I said, you're either gonna love them or you're gonna hate them. It kind of depends like how fashion forward you want to be, because they're not everyone's cup of tea. But those are the Nike Airrifts. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you felt the vibes, and turn on post notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.